Hi, it's Vicki Norris, organizing expert of Restoring Order. Today, I want to share with you 3 organizing mistakes to avoid that clutter up your surfaces and hamper your productivity so you can reclaim your workspace. Okay, the first mistake is office supply abuse. It's incredibly common. It's where we go out and we buy organizing products, we throw it at the problem, and we think that's the answer. But instead, I'm going to give you some tips so that you can ensure you get the right organizing tools. First, do not buy junk. You'll be sad and sorry that you did. It looks trashy in a short period of time. Next, do not buy your products too early in the process. Also, measure before you buy. Measure the space that you need to fit and measure the product itself. Finally, don't be enticed by the cute little bins and baskets and you think, oh, this will be great. I'll just take it to my desk and throw some stuff in it. Wrong. Instead, only buy the product when you know exactly what you want to store. So if you're a minimalist and you just like to have your phone on hand and the notebook that you use, and you only use a few different files, then this product might be perfect. But too often, that's not the way it works out because almost all of us are office supply abusers. The next mistake is visual clutter on your walls. We often mindlessly go out and buy these organizers that we think are going to help us get organized. But what exactly is this grid system for? Memorabilia? Please don't say notes and reminders. I mean, this is going to cause a pile of clutter, a horizontal pile becoming a vertical pile. What about these hexagon bulletin boards here? Visual clutter. If you don't want your office to look like a teenage locker, quit buying this stuff. Now, if you like to display memorabilia, do it in an elegant way. Get a flat screen TV and put a slideshow of family pictures or even your favorite quotes. The last mistake is surface yard sailing. You know what I'm talking about. It's when anything and everything hits your desk and it looks like a yard sale. We don't have to have everything within our view on the surface. For instance, the sticky note dispenser. It takes up a lot of space. A lot of them are ugly. Can't we put it below ground? What about the everything caddy? I hate these things. You just jam anything and everything in them. Nothing really fits, and it just looks bad on your surfaces. Then there's the ubiquitous pen and pencil mug of your choice, looking pretty bad on your desk. Now, if you are a visual person, sometimes we do this. We put things out where we can see them. But if you're going to do that, be selective and subdivide things in an orderly manner so it's easier on the eye. Dejunking your walls and your surfaces improves both your aesthetic and your focus. So here's your clutter prescription. First, clear off those surfaces, both horizontal and vertical, and really take another look at your space. Then simplify the stuff. Put the little stuff out of sight. And finally, invest in fewer quality, attractive products. Decumulating and streamlining can make your workspace your happy place. For more on this topic, read my related blog, Declutter Your Workspace. Hey, I hope you're inspired to declutter your workspace. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Here at Restoring Order, there's tons of playlists that can help you get organized.